Hi, I'm just done repairing the stepper motor driver from Astrosyn. The model is P403A microstepping. The previous I got to actually not belong to me, belong to my client. Both of them is stuck, the motor stuck. So I tried to find out the problem. Actually the problem because of the this two model of on this driver is spoiled, so replace. Actually one is spoiled, but I changed both of them because the characteristic is different, so I consider better replace both of them. Then let me check with the wiring, this wiring diagram for P403A microstep. Actually we consent to this S1 or socket 1. There is pass, direction, command, enable, reset, and unused one. So the pass I use square wave from signal generator, and direction we use the switch, and then the command actually we use the pass power supply 5 volt. So external, we need external 5 volt power supply, and then enable also use the switch, and then reset also use the push button. Okay, actually all this connection from the S1 port is connect to this three pieces of optocoupler, but one of them is having double inside there, and then another one is single optocoupler. Okay, let me check. For power supply I use 24 volt DC for this main power supply, and then another one for the, let me check, we use 9 volt drop down to 5 volt by this circuit DC converter. Okay, then how to test now? This I preparing only three switch. This is for direction. You check, direction will change, and then another one is for enable, so we can stop the motor turn by press enable. Then another one for reset. If you want to increase the speed of the motor during testing, you can hook up the signal generator square wave. I set the ring for 10K, so I can play the speed by increasing and decreasing the frequency. Let me try. Now I increase to 7K H. Done, and then I set only testing for 31 kilohertz this speed. Check enable stop and try to change the direction. Can you change direction like this? Oh, also can change, change the direction. Okay, that's all for this time. Hope this is useful for you, then can help for your repairing this stepper motor driver. Thank you.